02, we intercepted another transmission.
This is Arlova, reporting in. Snipers are in position, General.
Don't fail me, child.
If the intruder lives, their head is mine.
Proceed with caution, 02.
Water mines. Don't get too close, or they'll detonate.
Arlova trains her unit personally. Do not underestimate them.
Take it slow, 02. If you move too quickly, you'll alert those snipers. An enemy signal, broadcast in the clear. It's like they want us to hear it.
Phantom, are you out there? Your dear colonel died like a dog. Come to me, and you can join him.
Sawyer, can you triangulate that signal?
Working on it, Major. Slow down. They're going to see you. Move slower or they'll spot you. Not so fast. It'll draw their attention.
Lost visual on target.
Did you hear about what happened to Boris over at Post 9?
That's labyrinth, idiot. What did he do now?
He's dead. Killed by a crocodile.
What? Are you insane? There are no crocodiles here. They live in Africa and India.
I'm just telling you what was said.
That is the stupidest thing I've ever heard. He probably tripped on his own rifle or something.
Dimitri says he saw a croc in the water. What else could it have been?
A floating log? A canoe? Literally anything but a great big reptile.
I know you're listening, Phantom. Let us talk, you and I. Soldier to soldier, yes? Hear me now. Listen carefully, so you understand. It will be my pleasure to end your worthless life.
I've run all over through our database. She's suspected in nearly 36 high-profile assassinations. Her rifle is a prototype, unique. so it's easy to identify her kills. Perhaps on purpose. Don't underestimate her, 02.
Area is clear. Over. Reporting in. Area is clear. Over.
Glanich, also known as Ivan the Shark. Trust me, you don't want to know why.
So damn heavy.
Someone's gotta do it.
Need to move on.
Where we are heading, we...
Another malfunction.
Last call for Ivan the Shark. He's dead.
Have you crept past my soldiers, Phantom?
Can we locate our Lover?
I've narrowed it down. She's close. Slow is smooth, 02. Don't let that sniper get a visual on you. Slow down. They're going to see you.
You seem to be evading my entire unit. Impressive, I admit. But they are a pale imitation of me. Come to me, Phantom. Let us end this.
Our Lover's up ahead. This is it.
You cannot afford to fail, 02.
Our Lover's transmitting from the comms tower up ahead.
You will need to bring down that tower, 02.
If you can sever the anchor points for those cables, it'll topple under its own weight.
Irina is much faster than her subordinates, comrade. Your only hope is to draw her attention away from you.
There. Cut loose that cable with your blowtorch.
You're quicker than I expected.
There. Cut loose that cable with your blowtorch.
What took you so long, Phantom? I've been waiting.
Stay clear of those snipers and head for the dockyard. Arlova's transmitting from the comms tower up ahead.
You will need to bring down that tower, 02.
If you can set the anchor points for those cables, it'll topple under its own weight.
Irina is much...
There! Cut loose that cable with your blowtorch. It worked, but one isn't enough.
What took you so long, Phantom? I've been waiting. You can't hide forever. Trying to cut me loose. We'll see about that.
Slow down. They're going to see you. Move slower or they'll spot you. What have you? You wretched little rat!
Sheriff will not take this well. Get moving. The dockyard is just ahead, along with another stash of weapons.
Gear up, 02. You must neutralize Zhuron, or tomorrow the sun will rise on a world at war.
Phantom. The launch must be stopped. I'll clear your way. Just take out those SAM sites. The cache I left for you contains explosive charges.
Disable that SAM site, 02. Dismantle the control panel underneath, or use your explosives.
Sweeping the area. Over.
Air support is incoming. It is imperative you disable all 3 SAM sites. Disable that SAM site, 02. Dismantle the control panel underneath, or use your explosives.
Status report. The sector is under control.
Good work, 02. But there are still 2 more sites in operation. The Russian bombers are ready to go in as soon as the SAMs are offline.
I've marked the next SAM site on your tracker. Take it down.
My brothers and sisters, our time has come. They tried to stop us, but destiny is our ally.
02, be advised, they've locked down the submarine pen.
Phantom, focus on the SAM sites. I'll try to find you another way in.
Disable the 2 remaining SAM sites.
Why does the General call it that anyway? The weapon. What is a Titan?
The Titans are a race of beings from ancient Greek mythology. Some say they gave birth to the human race.
Like gods?
Sort of. They were living aspects of the earth and the sky. Creatures with power over time and creation, life and death.
Oh, that makes sense now.
It's also the name of the largest moon of Saturn.
How do you know all this?
I read a lot. There's not much else to do on guard duty.
Another SAM site. Take it down, 02.
Excellent, 02, but we are running short on time. Neutralize the last SAM site.
Maybe over there.
Disable the 2 remaining SAM